Welcome to Bridging the AI Adoption Gap with MINDERA AI strategist Phill Gillespie. How to accelerate the impact and value of your AI transformation by engaging with hearts before minds.
Over 3/4 of executives believe that their employees are excited about adopting AI, but the reality is, less than 1/3 of employees share that same enthusiasm. Right now, many companies are defaulting to an education-first approach when it comes to AI by rolling out mandatory training. And on the face of it, this makes sense. However, it's becoming a costly mistake. Why? Because AI is not simply another technology tool. It represents a dramatic shift in the ways of working and the ways of thinking. The primary blocker to adoption is not the technology itself, it's effectively engaging with your people. Employees are dealing with a multitude of challenges, from the pull of the status quo to the fear of losing their decision-making status and the anxiety of, what if I'm being replaced? To overcome all of the fear and uncertainty surrounding AI and what it means for people's careers and their identities, we can't just treat this as another straightforward training program. We have to win hearts before we can win minds. That's exactly why MINDERA have developed our AI adoption framework. It's a 3-stage framework that directly addresses these emotional challenges and barriers. The 3 stages are engage, educate, and embed. The initial engage phase is essential because it bridges the disconnect between your company's goals and the feelings on the ground. We've recently been working with a major UK retailer on their AI adoption strategy. The senior team clearly saw the potential of AI, the ways that it could accelerate time to value, but they knew that their teams weren't really adopting it. So to solve that, we implemented 3 specific steps for phase 1. Step 1 involved drafting an ambitious AI vision. We set clear overarching goals of making AI exciting and developing a culture that feels safe and supported so that people are open to experimentation with AI and embedding it into their daily workflow. Step 2 focused on building advocates. We conducted a listening tour across the business to gauge thoughts, fears, and ideas around AI. Step 3 is all about inspiring engagement. We've tapped into their honest views to build an engaging narrative story, and by developing AI champions, we've been building momentum behind their vision and started to accelerate their journey. The enthusiasm and buy-in generated from this first phase is being used to drive the educate and embed phases that are now underway. If your company is facing similar AI challenges, get in touch to discuss how we can help bridge your adoption gap.